Now in this video, we'll be learning how to solve a linear equation. Now before we start, what is an equation? Now an equation consists of an equal sign in which both values from the left of the equal sign and the right of the equal sign are exactly the same. Now that statement might sound a bit confusing at first, but once we go over a few questions, it will be easier to understand. So let's start with this question. 2x minus 3 equals 7. Now what we have to do is to isolate x. Now what that means is I'm making x on the left hand side and keep all the numbers on the right hand side. So what we do, 2x, now we must add 3 on both sides. Add 3. Now by adding 3, it will bring the 3 on the right hand side. So we'll look like this. 2x equals 7 add 3, which equals to 2x equals to 10. Next, we have to divide by 2. So divide by 2 and divide by 2. The reason why we divide by 2 is to isolate x, and the opposite of times in is dividing. So that will give us equals to x equals 10 over 2 when x equals to 5. Now hopefully you'll get the gist of this, but we'll move on to the next question. Now here we have 3 brackets, y minus 4 equals 26. Now we have to solve for y. So remember in your expansion video, we must expand first in order to get rid of the brackets. So 3 times y, which equals to 3y, and 3 minus 4, which equals to 12, equals 26. Now remember, we have to isolate y. So we have to add 12 on both sides to get rid of the 12 initially. Add 12. So we have 3y equals 26 plus 12, which then equals to 3y equals to 38. Okay. Remember, we need to isolate y, so therefore we have to divide by 3 to give us the answer. So remember, divide by 3, divide by 3. So we y equals 38 over 3, and that is your final answer for this question. Okay. Now, I want you guys to pause the video and give these questions a shot, and we'll return back. Now we're back. Now remember, we must isolate a. So I'll put a's on one side and the numbers on the other side. So it equals is 7a minus 5a equals to 9 minus 3. Bring over here. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2a equals 9 minus 3, which equals 6. Over here, you have a equals to 3. And over here, remember, we must expand the brackets first in order to get rid of the brackets. So we 3a plus 30 equals 64. Bring it over here. So 3a equals 64 minus 30. 3a equals to 34. A equals to 34 over 3. 3 here. Can I so? Over 3. You can leave it as this. Now some questions will ask you to leave it as a decimal, leave it as a top-heavy fraction, leave it as a improper fraction. But for now, we'll leave it as this. final question. Now to make our life easier, we'll put the a on the right hand side to make it positive. So 18 minus 2 equals to 4a equals 16 equals 4a over here. 16 divided by 4 equals a, therefore a equals to 4. So for more revision, go on algebrafun.co.uk where you can watch revision videos and attempt worksheets and also attempt past paper questions.